This is the setup for RTD in PFR. So we will see how residence time distribution for RTD is calculated in the setup. The setup consists of this spiral plug flow reactor. You can see, show from here, wherein the inlet feed from here. This is the feed tank wherein 0.1 normal NaOH is fed, and Y compression, this 0.1 normal NaOH goes from here through rotameter, and then outlet goes there and comes here, and this is how, this is the main inlet at which the reactant goes in. This is in, and via the spiral rounds this is out. To maintain isothermal condition, this is agitator with motor is provided to keep it isothermal. You can adjust temperature via this temperature controller by hitting the heater which is provided at the water bath. This is water bath. Outlet concentration is taken out from this outlet stream. So when, as per ideal plug flow reactor, at certain point of time, if you inject 10 atoms from inlet, let us consider this, these 10 atoms should come out at same time from outlet. But since the ideal condition are not followed by the reactor, these 10 atoms will come out from the outlet at different time intervals, and each atom will have some residence time. Let us consider if atom 1, 2 and 3 comes out from this outlet at 5 minutes, and 4 comes out at 6 minutes, and it has a distribution. So this all atoms having the distribution of residence time, and calculating this distribution of residence time is nothing but residence time distribution, and this is calculated by mean time, wherein it is calculated by summation of Ti Ci delta Ti divided by summation of Ci delta Ti, and the variance is defined as summation of Ti square Ci delta Ti by summation of Ci delta Ti minus the mean time square, and the E curve for PFR looks like, and this is E curve. Okay, so for this experiment at steady state, once NaOH is fed and steady state flow rate is achieved, from outlet, the tracer is injected. What is this tracer? You already studied in the CRE. These are inert material chemicals. Inert chemicals may be KOH, NaOH, are inserted from this syringe at instantaneously, okay, so that it is stepping, okay. So this step input will give rise to, and this is closed, and this NaOH, this NaOH will be inserting from this inlet, will have some residence time distribution, and outlet concentration is measured from here at 2 minutes interval of time for the time when the concentration of NaOH at outlet becomes 0. Okay, this is how the graph of time to concentration will look like. This is time, this is concentration, this is residence time distribution. So you have to calculate based on this residence time distribution. You have to plot CT versus time and ET versus time, and from this you will have to calculate again the Canson series model and dispersion model, which will give rise to Becquerel number. Okay, so this is how the calculation needs to be done. Close.